Xiaomi has also launched the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner X10. Now this is completely different from the previous vacuum cleaners, as this one comes with a much larger dustbin, or the dust collection cabin I would say. And this is definitely great for people like me who are too lazy to frequently clean that small box inside the vacuum cleaner. So this is how it looks. It's just like your normal vacuum cleaner, but all the dust that's collected in the vacuum cleaner gets sucked into that bigger box behind it, and you can easily replace the dust bag in that box once or twice in a month. That's definitely super convenient. Now this one is priced at 35,000 rupees and sale starts from July 15th. If you're planning to buy a vacuum cleaner, this is the one I would definitely recommend.